Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do manual product research for your Amazon FBA business. But before we start, I want to invite you guys to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly calls, and it's also a good place for you to hang out with other Amazon sellers. So again, I'm going to put my link in the description below, and I hope you guys join it. So yeah, so manual product research, right? So you start this process by going to a random listing on Amazon that looks like this, and then from here, I usually use SellerAmp, and I go to the bottom of the page where it says offers, and then I look for a seller with 100 or less ratings, and that's because that seller is probably doing arbitrage like me, like this guy for example. Let's see, so this person has 42 ratings, right, on his or her store. So I would open up this store, and then now what I would do is a bunch of video games. So now what I would do is I would look at all this seller's products, and then I would do a reverse search, meaning I would look for the supplier for these products. This one, this guy seems to be a video game seller, which is fine. So we'll try some of these products. Let's see, let's start with this one right here. So I would open up Amazon listing, and then and then Google, and then go to Google Shopping. So it's a Bluey video game, okay, for Switch. So the max cost is $21.75. So this means that I need to look for the exact same product with a cost of $21.75 or less. So I think I found them here, but they're not $21.75 or less. So I would keep looking. Let's see. I mean, I see the exact same product, but the cost is higher than $21, right? So it's not going to work. Okay, so skip it. And then from here, move on to the next one. So again, open up the Amazon listing, and then a Google Shopping right there. Let's see. So it's a Sonic video game, and the max cost is $16.62. So again, right there, this could be it. So this one is for a Switch. This one is a PS4. I think it's a poster though. So just keep looking. I mean, I see the exact video game, but the my maximum cost is $16, right? And obviously these ones are more than $16. So I would skip it. Okay, card. Okay, so no. Okay, so it's a bunch of video games. I'll show you guys some different examples. So again, I would go back to the Amazon listing, and I would pick another seller store with 100 ratings or less, right? So let's try this store right there. Let's see if it's any different from the other one. So this one's a little better because it's a bunch of household products and supplements. So let's try looking for these products. Let's try that. Let's see. Is it Pacifica? I think it's a, what is this? So face wash and moisturizer set, okay? And the max cost, is $10.83. So let's look and see if we can find that bundle. Yeah, I don't think it's here. Yeah, I don't think it's here. So we move on to the next one. So again, click on Amazon and Google Shopping. Let's see, the max cost is $657 right there. Yeah, product research, guys, it takes a lot of patience. It takes a lot of time. So let's see, this one, baby lotion. 6 fluid ounce, and this one is. Let's see this one. This could be it. Yeah, they're on sale, so that's why they're probably cheaper. But let's see. So it's an Ulta. Oh man. Here, open it. Let's see. Oh, travel size. Man. Let's see. Yeah, this one is 1.6 fluid ounce, right? So it doesn't match. This one is 5.7 fluid ounces. So let's see, those are not it. This is not it. This is it. No, it's not. It's here, but let's see the price. So 5.7. It's $8.99. No, that's way above our maximum cost, right? Yeah. I mean, it's the exact same product, right? The problem is the numbers are too close to each other, so it's giving you a negative ROI here. I mean, you have the option to price it higher. So if you price it higher, right? Like maybe here, you're getting a 5% ROI. If you were pricing it here, you're getting a 13% ROI. But we don't really want to do that because you usually want to be the cheapest, right? Or close to the cheapest. So, but for this example though, we did find a product, but the numbers are a little off. But I really hope you guys got the point though, right? Of this video. So this is how you do reverse product research. So again, you go to a listing that looks like this, and then you go to offers, and then from here you pick a seller with 100 or less ratings in their store, and then from here you go to the store, and once you're in their store, you look for different products that they have, and you do a reverse search on those products. So hope you guys got value from the video, and if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to post the link in my description below. And in that group, I do my weekly calls, and also it's a good place for you to network with other Amazon sellers. So join it, okay? I'm going to put the link in my description below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.